this video, we are going to see how we can enter a simple credit sales in Odoo. As we have the transaction of 12th January, which says credit sales to Mr. Walter of Prius rear lights. So we are selling 10 items to Mr. Walter at 280 rate for Prius rear lights. Let's see how we can add this. So first of all, from the main dashboard, just click on the customers and click on invoices and click on new here. After that, just enter the name of Mr. Walter. The item, let's add the item. If you don't see the item, you can choose it or enable it from here. Prius rear lights. Product sales automatically set. Quantity is 10 and price is 280 and it is set to exempt, all set. 2800 is the total amount. Just we have to change the date according to our project, which is 12th of January. And due date is also set. Payment terms, we can set it to 15 days. And click on confirm. Make sure it is changed to posted. And after that, just click on the reporting and click on profit and loss account to make sure it is added in the revenue and in the cost of goods sold as well. So here it is showing it in the sales and in the profit and loss account as well. So this is how we can enter the credit sales. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.